Hey guys, I'm Mazzew, and welcome to the after party. UFO. Alright, let's get away from them. Now, first we want to talk to Crab here. So Crab, what was it like being up there? It was actually kind of scary. Probably not as scary as that. What? Over that? Oh no. Alright, prove yourself. I picked this song to sing. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright. Okay. So, did you like it overall? Oh yeah. I'm gonna look over here. I'm hypnotized now. And I'm scarred for life. Oh, I'm gonna go party. Bowser. 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 Hey, Bowser. What? So, you won the, what did you win? Well, get off of me. I was lucky enough to win. Well, I was the main star of the video that won for Video of the Year. I didn't win anything else. Yes you did. What else did I win? You won Best Character. Did? Yeah. Alright, run down the list of everyone who won. Really, there were only like 2 people who won. People out there are pretty jerky. Let's see. Big Boss was funniest character. Then Shark won for Best Series, Shark and Jaguar. Best Character was you, and Face of FPV was Frederick, and you also won. Sorry, gotta clear my throat. You also won Video of the Year. Oh. Oh, it's awesome. 2 awards. Wish I could have been Face though. Oh, what a party. Mario, can I have a word? Nope. Black Yoshi, how does it feel not being nominated? Or even winning anything? So don't even talk to me. Don't even talk. Alright. I won't talk to you. Maybe I can get Shark's words once he's done. Wait, here it comes. Shark. Yep. How does it feel winning, what, 3 awards? 3? Yeah, you were in Bowser's Award. Oh yeah, it was. I guess I did win 3 times. Also heard that Toad's in trouble because he pretty much gave away who won on his little page thing he did. Yeah, he's like, alright, it's an old video, alright, and this is one of the lines. Hey Bowser, hey Shark. In other words, hey Bowser, hey Shark. Oh, see what you mean. So yeah. Let's go out, hammered. Okay. Oh, I'm going back to party. Alright, as promised, we have new characters to introduce you to. Don't go nowhere. I'm gonna boogie. Boogie down, boogie down and down. Welcome back. Alright, well, this first character isn't really new, but he's actually gonna be in videos now. So let's see if we can find him. He's in here somewhere. There he is. Hey. Yep. Mega Jet Tank Guy will be in videos now. So hello. I believe he's also in the movie. No, haven't seen the movie. Alright, this next character is new. We'd like to introduce you to Purple Ape. Sorry, he likes to be called Purple Kong. Oh, okay. Well, that just sucked. Eggs. Hard. Finally, we have that bear guy from the Christmas Feast's brother. Stuck in a car. Bear stuck in a car, sorry. Stuck in a country accent, but I lost it. So, let's groove. Ooh, you say. Okay, apparently he talks like the last song he heard. I should keep him away from death metal. Or any of. Forget it. Oh, those are our new characters. So we're just gonna boogie. The movie's coming out soon, by the way. Alright, well, before we leave, apparently the founder has some sort of message for you and not us. So you have to sit through that while we boogie. Hello, people. You may notice I'm not talking in my normal voice. That's because they aren't listening. So yes, this is actually what I sound like. Or is it? Anyway. So yes. Hope you enjoyed the awards ceremony, the after show, the pre-show, everything. Hope you made good choice. I hope that you liked all the choices that were made. They're your fault if you don't like them. You should have voted. And anyone who thinks we faked them, probably could go to the voting page and see that there's a vote. Now, voting is still open, but that's only because we're too lazy to close it. It'll be down a couple days. Have a nice day.